Ever wondered how to make a mouth-watering chicken curry that'll impress anyone? First, grab your chicken, onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, and a blend of spices. Mix turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili powder. Controversy alert, some say add garam masala now. Others say later. What's your take? Salt onions, then add garlic and ginger. Throw in the chicken and spices, stirring until golden. Add tomatoes and water, then simmer till the chicken is tender. The aroma is irresistible. Serve hot with rice or naan. Did we just unlock the best chicken curry recipe? You decide.